Resonance Energy, delivering energy with precision and integrity. At Resonance Energy, we are more than just an energy solutions company. We are a trusted partner, committed to building a sustainable future, driving innovation, and ensuring excellence in every endeavor. For over 2 decades, Resonance Energy has been at the forefront of the energy sector, providing world-class consultancy, project management services, and knowledge-driven training and conferences. Our commitment is simple yet profound: to deliver projects without cost or time overrun, while upholding the highest international standards. Our mission is clear: pursuing innovations through knowledge and technology to provide solutions along the energy value chain, adhering to world-class standards. Our vision is ambitious yet achievable: to be a responsible, respectable, and recognizable global energy company, delivering value to all stakeholders. At the heart of Resonance Energy are our core values: introjecty in all our actions, responsibility towards people, projects, and the planet, openness and cooperation in partnerships, and continuous improvement in pursuit of excellence. At Resonance Energy, we celebrate milestones together. We're not just colleagues, we're collaborators, innovators, and a family dedicated to powering a brighter future. Resonance Energy is proud to be aligned with the Government of India's vision for a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable nation. In support of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, we are delivering green gas solutions that reduce carbon footprints, minimize pollution, and ensure a healthier tomorrow for generations to come. By facilitating the adoption of clean fuels such as PNG and CNG, Resonance Energy Private Limited is consortium partner in Gasanet Services Limited, a city gas distribution company authorized by PNGRB to distribute natural gas in domestic, industrial, and commercial sectors, including developing the CNG stations in geographical areas of Bikaner, Churu in Rajasthan, Mandi, Kulu, Manali in Himachal Pradesh, and various districts of Uttarakhand. Resonance Energy is not only contributing to India's energy security, but also helping build a nation that thrives on responsible growth and environmental stewardship. We partner with leading energy distributors, public sector enterprises, and financial institutions, providing strategic insights and innovative solutions that enhance operational efficiency and foster responsible growth. At Resonance Energy, every milestone we achieve, every project we deliver, and every innovation we pursue is guided by one goal: to create value for people, public, plant, and the planet. Together, let's power progress responsibly.